Here we are given a line which intersects the ellipse at 2 points. So tangents to ellipse at these 2 points intersected. So if we draw tangents at the 2 points where the line intersects the ellipse, then those two tangents intersect somewhere. So we need to find the point at where they intersect. So let's assume the ellipse to be somewhat like this, and this line intercepts it somewhere and at 2 points. Let it be some P, Q. Now tangents drawn at these 2 points intersect, assume it to be O, and we need to find the point O from this given information. So now let's come to this question from the other way around. So starting from O, we have some external point. We draw two tangents to the ellipse and they intersect at 2 points, and if we draw a line over those 2 points, we get a chord of contact. So we already know the equation that S1 is equals to 0 gives us the chord of contact equation, which is equal to this line. So let's start writing the chord of contact for the ellipse, which is ellipse equation 4x square plus y square equal to 5. S1 is equals to 0. Let's assume it to be some x1, y1. Now making S1 equal to 0, 4x x1 plus y1 is equals to 5. 4x x1 plus y1 minus 5 is equals to 0 is the chord of contact, and which is also the given line. That is, according to problem, it is 2x plus y minus 3 is equals to 0, which two are same. So comparing these two, we get 4x1 by 2 is equals to y1 by 1 is equals to minus 5 by minus 3. Minus minus cancel. So 4x1 by 2 is equals to 5 by 3. y1 by 1 is equals to 5 by 3. x1 is 5 by 6. y1 is 5 by 3. So the point O, which is x1 y1, is equals to 5 by 6 comma 5 by 3.